What's up, YouTube? It's currently Tuesday, April 21st. I'm making a little video going over it because my fucking video footage didn't save on my, so I can't record a live trading, but I do want to give a recap of my trading day on Monday. Before we go into the night, I do want to upload a video. We took two trades yesterday, Monday. We took one L. Yesterday was a losing day. Just to be straightforward, it was a losing day. We took an L. We lost. Let me go to my calendar. We lost 466 on the day. Probably a little less because we broke even and we made a little bit, like maybe like $20 on a break even trade. So I'm gonna just go in here and go over the details of why I took these trades. So coming in at 9:30, price action was very sporadic. I thought it was gonna go up here. This is really all-time highs, like from Friday. I'm sure it's gonna break it today because we got back up above this area. We taking out this high. That's what I was expecting price to do. But you know, when we get around these areas, we don't know what price is gonna do. So price came into I was like, I'm gonna get off the charts at 9:30 just because the way price was moving. Look how sporadic it was moving. I didn't have any zones. I had this 5-minute demand zone down here that was there when I first came to the zone. When I first came to the markets, these zones were not printed yet. So once I seen these 5-minute demand zones, I immediately just waited for price to come in there. I seen price do this at 9:30, so I was like, damn, price is not probably gonna get there. It's probably gonna take these highs out and push up, and I'm probably not gonna get a trade. But price at 8:35 decided to come back, and then I was like, okay, I'm gonna just wait. But it was consolidating a lot on this 1-minute chart. It was consolidating a lot. Let me go to market replay. But yeah, it was consolidating a lot on this 1-minute time before we even got, like, it was consolidating for like 10-15 minutes before we even got a tap into the zone. But once we got a tap into the zone, I just waited. Like, we got this rejection. It gave us a good rejection. We were above our 50 SMA, VWAP, and our 200 SMA. So then we just waited for the price to give us our entry. It gave us our entry. We got in. Bro, I thought this trade was gonna play out quick because these candles was moving pretty fast. We got close to 1-to-1, but then price just stalled out. And reversed on us. It never came above these highs. Like, it was moving fast, but it just stalled out and then started consolidating for like 25-30 minutes, 35 minutes. And shit, we were just sitting in drawdown for 35 minutes, y'all. I was like, that's gonna be my last trade of the day. Fuck it. But then I was like, if price close below these lows, then I'll take a trade. So that trade was an L. The first trade was an L. So I was like, once price gives me a market structure shift, I look for long. I look for shorts. We were trading in a 4-hour demand zone, so I was a little hesitant about taking shorts. But I was just like, fuck it, I'm gonna take it. I'm not gonna be a bitch. If it wants to go down, it wants to go down. If it gives me a market structure shift, I'm gonna take it. But price kept taking these lows out, but closing back above them. But we were still closing below the 50 SMA, but we didn't close below VWAP. Once this candlestick right here printed, and it gave me a close, I said, okay, that's a good demand zone. Once this big black candle closed right here, this black candle closed, I said okay, and it printed this, it engulfed this this bearish candle, indecision candle. I said okay, once price come back into the zone, it literally came back into the zone the next candle, and then we got a horrible entry. We got a lot of volatility out of nowhere, y'all. Like, look how much volume that was. Like, as soon as it broke the low, like, I pressed sell. I have a bad habit of doing that, but I just need to wait to, like, if price shoots down like that, I just need to wait till it come back a little and then take the entry. I don't know, because I got a horrible entry, but it wasn't too bad because like it's still 66 point. My original stop loss was gonna be above this. If I wanted my that was gonna be my entry. I wanted my entry to be right there, and my stop loss was gonna be above there. But and then maybe we would have got. Oh yeah, we definitely would have got TP to get hit if we would have got our correct entry. Y'all, that's actually ass though. I ain't gonna lie. Cause yeah, if we would have got our correct entry, we definitely would have got TP to get hit, bro. So that does suck. I ain't gonna lie. That's ass as fuck. But it is what it is. Like, I ain't gonna do no complaining, cause at the end of the day, shit, yeah, if we would have got our original entry, bro, TP would have definitely got hit. Even if we would have just waited for price to close out right there, we would have got come back to right here, cause it never came back here. It never came back here. But if I would have had a stop order placed, might have had TP get hit, but we did it. So we got this crazy ass entry down here. I put my stops above here. TP was down here. We got to 101, but we never got to 101 point. Oh yeah, we never got to 101.5 or 100 points. I was targeting 100 points. We got close to it. Got down close to it, but we didn't get in there, and it just reversed on us, y'all. It reversed completely on us. I thought it was gonna tap this 1 hour demand zone again, but it didn't. And shit, we got stopped out, y'all. So the second trade was a risk-free trade. That was my reasoning for taking both of those trades. I mean, it's a losing day. We had a good winning streak last week. We didn't have no losing days. We went on a crazy winning streak last week. We had one loss, but we made the loss back. Yeah, on the 15th, we had one loss last week. 13th win, 14th win, 15th winning day, and 16th winning day. We didn't trade Friday, but I demo traded and we still won Friday. Friday was a one and done trade, winning trade. So last week was a flawless week, but this week I don't know what this week. It's still early in the week. You know, I have no expectations, so all I can do is just wait, sit on my hands, and yeah. I mean, we started the week off with but that'll be just go in like that. So we just go sit back, you know. And yeah, we wasn't able to secure a dub last night, but it is what it is. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. I was just coming out here reviewing the trades I took, so I can keep y'all updated with my journey, keep y'all updated with every trade that I take on this these accounts. We're down about 200 on each account, 200 something on each account. So we still got like probably $800, $900 a drawdown on each account, because we just took a payout. We took a payout a couple days ago. But yeah, that's it for this video. Those are the trades that I took Monday, and yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and you know, comment on how y'all trading journey going this month of April. I know a lot of people have been having a bad month in April, but this April been pretty good to me. I got a payout this month, so hey, it's always good when you're able to get a payout. So, but shit, I gotta get some stuff done, so I'll catch y'all in the next video. I'm out. Peace.